Good day, madam. We are from Group 2. We are going to present about the impact of the time management on students' academic achievement. These are our group members. I'm Sri Revati Chandra.
I'm Pritina Ramasamy.
I am Yalini, daughter of Chandiran. Today, Shri is going to present about the Journal of Physics and abstract of this article.
Thank you, Eleni. Okay, this article is from the Journal of Physics. IOP published, one of the world's major publisher of the conference proceedings, providing conference organizers and writes with a quick, straightforward, and effective publication procedure. This publish the essential topics that are physics, material science, environmental science, biology, engineering, computational science, and mathematics. Why should we post this in the journal? Because this journal is an all-in-one publishing solution. It is simple platform and includes top-of-the-line tools as part of the standard publishing fee. For example, Moraziah. Moraziah is the leading visual conferencing and publishing platform for the scientific community, supports our new workflow tools. This is also visual and hybrid conferences organized by Moraziah, offer an experiential experience for organizer, presentation, and participants. So these are the research team for this journal. First is Mr. Razali, Rusiman, and Mr. Khan. They are from Department of Mathematics and Statistics, Facility of Applied Science and Technology. Next is Mr. Arvind. He is from Department of Mathematics and Facility of Science and Mathematics. So I'm going to talk about the abstract of this article. Time control is essential due to the fact it could have an effect on individuals' ordinary overall performance and achievements. Students in recent times typically that they do now no longer have sufficient time to finish all the courses assigned to them. Furthermore, the power and independence of a college placing is probably distracting for college students who have now no longer advanced time control skills. As a result, the intention of this observe is to decide the connection among students' time control and educational achievement. The element evaluation organized three crucial time control elements that are time planning, time attitudes, and time waste. The research tested that there aren't any widespread variation in time control behavior among genders or races of students. While the 12 months of observed and people school suggest widespread disparities in time control behaviors. Meanwhile, even as the application is limited, all time control behaviors are drastically definitely related to students' educational achievement. Time control is the maximum widespread correlated predictor. Next is introduction. Introduction will be presented by Pritina.
Time is a priceless resource that everyone possesses equally and must be effectively managed. The term time management became familiar in the 1950s and 1960s as referring to a tool to help managers make better use of available time. Frederick Winslow Taylor defined time management as self-management with an explicit focus on time. There are basically three surfaces of time management behaviors, which are short-range planning, long-range planning, and time attitudes. Academic performance is the measured ability and achievement level of a learner. A study determined the management attitude and skill levels of Pamukale University students. Students often complain they do not have enough time to complete their university work. Time management has a significant impact on the lives of the students. This study is conducted mainly to measure the association between time management and academic achievement of university students. Respondents are students from University in Johor, Malaysia. A 5-point Likert scale was used to record the responses. Each scale item has 5 response categories, always as 5, frequently as 4, sometimes as 3, infrequently as 2, and never as 1. The higher the values on the scale, the better the time management practices of the participants. The samples were collected by using rule of equally allocation of stratified random sampling, and there needs 50 respondents from each faculties. Factor analysis was employed to analyze the factors associated with the time management. Spearman rank correlation was applied to identify the relationship of time management and academic achievement. Yalini will be presenting results and conclusion.
Thank you, Pritina. The eigenvalue and scree plot indicated that the questionnaire items might create more than one component. Rotated component matrix demonstrates that the items may be classified into 3 components using Varimax's rotation process. Table 2 shows the names of the factors that have been given to them as well as the items that correlate to them. There are 3 factor names, which are time planning, time attitudes, and time wasting. Time planning contain 8 item questions. Time attitudes also contain 8 item questions, and time wasting contain 5 item questions. The next part is conclusion. According to the factor analysis results, time management behaviors may be grouped into 3 major groups. The first one is time planning, time attitudes, and time waste. Aside from that, the study's findings reveal that there are no significant disparities in time management behaviors among students based on their gender or ethnicity. While students' years of study and professors demonstrate considerable disparities in time management behaviors. Meanwhile, although the association is modest, all time management behaviors were considerably favorably associated with students' academic success. The most important associated predictor is time planning. The study's findings provide a true knowledge of students' time management for this sample of students. Further research into the learning preferences of Malaysian university students can be conducted in other institutions to determine whether a generalization on university students' time management can be formed. Meanwhile, the current study was confined to self-report data such as academic achievement and memory factors. The next part is the references of this article. There are many references. Thank you.